Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. I'm coming to you guys with a new wig review. It has been so long since I've done a wig review for you guys, so I'm super excited to show you guys how I install my wigs now, which is just slightly different than I've been doing in the past. So if you want to stay tuned for that, then definitely keep on watching. Alright you guys, before we get started, I need you guys to do one thing for me. Hit that subscribe button. Subscribing super duper helps me out. Hitting that thumbs up button really helps too. Get me past this crazy YouTube algorithm. And sharing my videos, of course. So if you like what you see, then definitely like, subscribe, and share. You guys, so today's hair is from a company that I've worked with in the past. I reviewed a headband wig with MyShinyWigs. This time I do have a Lacefront wig. So let's go ahead and take it out the pack. I like this pack. It comes with its own hanger, so you can dry the wig using the hanger. And then it also has its own bag, which is awesome. Love when storage is already figured out for you. Just one less step to have to think about. So here is the unit, beautiful wavy unit. Looks like we have a little tag here. It says MyShinyWigs, and it gives care instructions as well as the unit number that you have. So it looks like this is a closure unit today. The parting space looks really good, and the knots look lightly bleached, so we don't have to do that. And the hairline definitely looks decent. Not too bad. I really like the parting space as well. So let's go ahead and look at the inside. Looks like we have two combs at the top, one in the middle, one comb in the back, adjustable straps, and a really nice elastic band that's really super soft, and it's expandable as well. So this wig looks really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and take the unit that I have off. This one is from GLEEmade. You can check this unit out. I do have a video out for this one, so if you want to check this one out. This is a kinky straight U-part wig, so my leave out is out. So if you want to check out this one, I'll leave a link up here and one in the description box as well. So you guys, this is the final look, and just to give you my thoughts on this hair, I absolutely love this unit. I love that it's a closure, so easy to style and just place on your head without a whole lot of work. The wig is so seamless. It literally just blends so easily, and the hairline is very realistic, you guys. It's not overly plucked and it's not overly thick. It just gives you that really seamless, natural, realistic look, and that's what I love about it. I also love that it's a 5x6 instead of a 5x5, so you can part it really far back to give it an even more natural look. So if you guys want to check out this wig, I will leave links down below so you can head over to MyShinyWigs.com and check it out. I would definitely recommend it, especially going into the fall. It'll just be a cute one to throw on. Make sure you guys share this video, like this video, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.